Welcome to the Knowledge Warehouse YouTube channel. Today we will be reading Buzz Boy and Fly Guy by Ted Arnold. Buzz Boy and Fly Guy. A boy had a pet fly named Fly Guy. Fly Guy would say the boy's name. Buzz. One night, Buzz said, "I made a book. We are the superheroes." "Heroes?" said the fly. "Yes," said Buzz. "I'll read it to you." The Amazing Adventures of Buzz Boy and Fly Guy by me, Buzz. Chapter 1. One day, Buzz Boy woke up. Yawn. He was the same size as Fly Guy. "I have bad news." By the way, Fly Guy can talk. "What?" said Buzz Boy. "Pirates came last night. Arg! They took our house to a dragon cave." Here we see some pirate guards and more pirates. And Fly Guy says, "On an island far away." Buzz Boy looked out the window. He saw a sleeping dragon. "You're right, Fly Guy. Good thing we are superheroes. Time to take care of Buzzness." Chapter 2. The dragon was still asleep. With his super strength, Buzz Boy turned the dragon around. Fly Guy used his super loudness. Buzz! The dragon woke up and shot fire outside. The pirate guards ran away. Buzz Boy and Fly Guy ran to the beach. "Oops, more pirates," said Buzz Boy. "Arg," said the pirates. Chapter 3. Buzz Boy and Fly Guy were put in jail on the pirate ship. "Now what?" asked Buzz Boy. "I always carry my super skeleton key," said Fly Guy. Fly Guy unlocked the door. "Yikes! We are at the top of the pirate ship. Good thing we can both fly." Buzz Boy and Fly Guy flew back to the island. They made friends with the dragon. the dragon took their house back home. Buzzboy and Fly Guy let the dragon join their team. There's Dragon Dude in the background. The end, said Buzz. Fly Guy said, "Heroes!" Superheroes, said Buzz. Want to read it again? Yes, said Fly Guy. And that was an amazing superhero story. The end.